Wondering why your Samsung won't download apps? There are a few simple ways to fix this common issue. First, try a soft reset. Turning your phone off then back on can often solve simple issues. Check your Wi-Fi to make sure you have a stable connection before trying to download. You also can try downloading the app using mobile data instead. Go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi. Tap Menu on the top right side of the screen. Hit Advanced and turn on Switch to Mobile Data. An out-of-date operating system could affect your phone's ability to download apps. Go to Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and download any available updates. Your phone will reset automatically once these updates are completed. The Play Store can sometimes run into software issues while downloading applications. To troubleshoot, clear the cached data. Go to Settings, Apps, then scroll to find the Play Store app. Tap the Storage option, then clear data and confirm by pressing OK. This will reset the App Store processes and could fix any issues with downloading applications. Check your date and time settings. Google servers have to sync with your phone when you try to download an application from the Play Store. An incorrect time setting can cause your device to fail a server check and prevent your device from downloading an app. Go to Settings, General Management, Date and Time, and check that the automatic setting is turned on. Take a look at your available storage space. If you don't have enough space for an app, you won't be able to download. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care. Tap Storage and check the available space. If it's low, delete some things to clear space and try your download again. You can also try resetting the Download Manager. It's responsible for managing all your phone's downloads. Go to Settings, Apps, then tap Sort By. Select Show System Apps and search for Download Manager. Force stop the application and it will restart itself, potentially fixing your issue in the process. A factory reset is your last resort option. However, this will delete all your saved data on your device, so you'll want to make sure you back up your phone first. When you're ready to factory reset, enter recovery mode by powering off your phone. With it fully powered down, hold the side key and volume up buttons simultaneously. When the Samsung splash screen appears, you can release the side key. Remain holding the volume up button until recovery mode appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Confirm by selecting Factory Data Reset and Reboot System Now. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.